Today we're here at our new showroom at the Motor District. I wanted to show you our new Sonos Display. Come check out our new Sonos Display. This new system is perfect for demoing speakers and picking it out exactly what you want. First, you start here by start listening. Once you pick that, this new Sonos Display allows you to pick which speaker you want. So we can pick the Ray, the Beam, or the Arc. My favorite's obviously the Arc. So once we pick the Arc, now we're playing music. If I want to change the music, I can pick it here and I can pick pop, indie, vocals, hip hop, or dance. So right now we're picking pop. I can turn the volume up or down. So we have volume up or down. And then if I want to add a sub, I can turn on the sub or the sub mini. So now I have the Sonos Arc playing with the sub. If I want to switch to the mini and see how the mini sounds different than the sub, I can pick the mini. This is perfect for picking out your speaker because then you can decide, do I want the Sonos Sub Mini or do I want the Sonos Sub? And then also for the sound bars, we can pick between the Ray, the Beam, and the Arc to decide, how much money we want to spend and what kind of sound we want. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please feel free to stop by and check out all these speakers. We'd be happy to demo each individual speaker for you, figure out which one best fits your needs.